Now I'm going to make the situation even more complicated. I now take a conducting object, doesn't have to be a sphere, and I bring that conducting object, hollow, in an external electric field. So someone outside your house is turning on a Van de Graaff, creating an electric field. What now is going to happen? Well, due to induction, you're going to get some charge polarization in the conductor. One side may end up negative, and the other side may end up positive. But what happens on the inside? Nothing. The electric field in the conductor must stay everywhere zero if it is a static electric field. And so no charge can accumulate here, and no charge can accumulate on the inside. And so, as you bring this electric field on the outside, you may get negative and positive charge on the outside, maybe negative here and positive there, but inside, nothing. You are inside electrically shielded from the outside world in the same way that you were when someone was trying to put charge on your house. Now someone is trying to zap you with electric fields. Nothing will happen inside. You will never see an electric field inside. I will show you an interesting drawing, interesting figure, which is a conducting box. It's closed. The cut that you see open is just to allow you to look inside, but it is closed from all sides. And there are some negative charges here, and there are positive charges in the foreground which you don't see. The red field lines come from positive charges, end up on the box, and the negative field lines go from the box to the negative charges. There is clear polarization. The box itself is neutral. I started with a neutral box. But because of this electric field, I get polarization. I end up with negative charge on the box here, only on the outside. Positive charge on the box here, only on the outside. Inside, electric field is zero. No charge anywhere inside. Due to this crazy electric field, the free moving charges in the conductor will rearrange themselves in such a way that the electric field is zero everywhere in the conductor, is zero inside the cavity, and that the closed loop integral of E dot dl is zero everywhere, if these are static fields. And it is clearly impossible for us to ever calculate how that charge configuration at the surface will have to be in order to meet all those conditions. But nature can do this effortlessly. And it can do it extremely fast, obeying all the laws of physics. It puts very quickly plus charge here and minus charge there. Make sure that there is no charge on the inside of the surface. It makes sure that the electric field is everywhere zero inside and in the box. And it also makes sure that the integral E dot dl is zero everywhere in space. And therefore the box and everything inside becomes an equipotential. So it also arranges matters so that the field lines, wherever they intersect with the box, are always perpendicular to the box. And all of that is done in almost no time at all by nature. It is an amazing thing that this happens, and something that, as I said, would be impossible for us to calculate because the field configurations are extraordinarily difficult. So if you're inside this metal box, no matter what happens on the outside, you would be electrically isolated from the outside world. You would not notice that there is a strong electric field outside, nor would you notice that people are trying to charge up your house. We call that electrostatic shielding, and we give that a name. That house of yours would be called a Faraday cage. It's called after the great physicist Faraday. You will learn